Alright guys, so here is my Lenovo Z570, you can see here, and I have this nice toolkit which has sizes from T3 to U2.6, that is 32-in-1 Jackie. And now I'm going to show you how to replace your LCD replacement for Z570. So before first of all doing anything, what you need to do is you need to make sure that you remove the battery from here.
Remove the battery. Then you're doing that.
So remove the battery. That's so simple. So just unplug the stuff and
But the battery is there too hot. Maybe
so you got the battery out. So I'm just gonna keep it aside in a safe place. Now, you need to so let's talk about a couple things here on this. So, this is my screen, and down here there are two caps. There are two caps here. So I'm going to remove that cap. If you can see these stuff.
Be careful. Be careful when you're opening it. Okay.
Yeah, I have in fact, I have actually already removed these caps, and this stuff I have earlier removed this because to check my model number. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from here. So making sure that you remove these stuffs. These are just the rubber caps here, and make sure you remove them. Then the screws are removed from that. Okay, guys. Now
there's a screw here.
Then so what we do is now pick up T5 or T3, so which is this kind. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my screws here.
Be careful, boy. Remove it.
Just unscrew the stuff.
Yeah. The screw.
Okay, so for this you will probably need to
I can see the down battery. I thought it is the proper battery.
Yeah, make sure you have an empty cup for for removing the stuffs.
Yeah.
For placing the screws over there. Right now I'm doing it on my.
Here you go. You're just batteries. We can fix that all when you're done all fix this. When you're done all fixing this, you can put the battery.
You're so sweet, Akshay. Can you just move aside, please?
Sure.
Let me make my work here. And let me tell you how did this happen. So this is all because of my cute little kid. Can you show your...
I'm getting pain here, just. I'm just getting pain.
It's all because of my cute little master. Okay. So once upon a time, what he did was he was coming from his school. He was coming from his school, and he was he was feeling tired and all.
No, not a jacket I turned.
Yes. So he opened up his jacket after coming from the school, then kind of made it go circle in the air. Then after that, when he put his jacket down, then he noticed that he has messed up something, and that is my laptop. So the screen was broken here. So I can show you quickly how the screen was broken here.
Yeah, but
I think I've turned on. I had to turn on my laptop to show that, but so that's what had to happen actually.
There was something here. Okay.
Oh,
the backside one is open.
Okay, chinna cup this cup open.
Okay, small cup or big cup?
Small one.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure you securely loosen this stuff, because there are a lot of speaker wires and other stuff plugged in here. So just to make sure the stuff is secure. Alright, so this comes with a frame here. So this comes with a frame here, and the LCD is plugged into this frame. So maybe I'm not sure if you can see this, guys. There's a tiny little screw here. So I'm going to unscrew that stuff right now. Let me just keep all my screws safe together, and otherwise I may mess up things.
Phew! That was close when it comes with the dash.
Okay, so I got one here. I'm going to remove this stuff right now.
Oh, what is there? I think. Be careful. Phew. Let's go, huh? Up and down. Up and down. Just that, right?
Yeah, just make sure it does fall back, so you need to make sure that you hold it with one hand and safely unscrew the stuff.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm doing right now.
Carefully put that laptop down so that it cannot break.
Okay, so here it is. We have separated. I separated my LCD.
Yeah.
Basically from this stuff.
Just do that when you're
So if you can
done.
see it right,
Okay. See? That's
if you can
just
see
like
it,
that.
I've just safely unsecured. I've safely removed this stuff. Now
Yeah.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to
Take
unplug
this out.
this.
Just this. Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to safely remove this stuff from here.
Yeah. Be careful.
It's very simple, but you need to be extra careful that you don't mess up other stuff.
Yeah. But that's cool. There's a plastic sticker.
That's it. It's that
Be
easy.
careful.
Yeah.
It's shaking. Well, yeah.
So my LCD is taken out, and it was actually broken here. If you,
Let me see.
since I did not on it,
Let me
if you
see.
can see the glaze stuff, right? You can see notice the lines. These
Yeah.
lines are broken here. So that's what happened with my LCD. Okay, now I'm going to I got a replacement copy. I got a replacement copy from laptopscreens.com.
Yeah.
So-
We got it first then you.
It's a pretty good website where it's a straightforward thing. You go choose the model. So basically how I ordered this was, I look up the model number here, which is LP156WH4 TLA1 is a model for Z570, sorry, and it's my LCD screen. So I got a replacement of this from Laptop Screen. Pretty good.
Oh, wait.
Stop.
Let's see.
Okay, I'm going to open this. I'm going to unscrew this stuff right now.
Let me see what's inside. Be careful. I mean,
Okay, here is a packet.
yeah. Inside the packet, there are computers.
Okay,
Maybe they are
here is my
full.
screen. So I'm just putting this box away,
Oh,
and I got my screen here.
one time I'm getting hurt off that.
Okay, so this is my brand new screen for the laptop from laptopscreens.com. Very good website where
It's a computer.
I was able to get my replacement laptop for my screen.
Oh, watch out.
Sorry, replacement screen for my laptop. And so this says
Something is new.
okay, if you just compare, right, it's pretty much the same.
Yeah.
I think this is a very bad comparison, but that's what non-techie guys do. Okay, so
Maybe
what I'm
I
going to
just
do
go
is
inside.
I'm going to safely buckle this up again.
Be
as it is.
careful.
So you should be very careful, utmost careful while doing this stuff.
Yeah. Because they're too dangerous to do. For kids. Not the big guys. Just like that. How my dad is. Okay. Carefully like that. So you cannot broken it.
Yeah, you just need to make sure this plastic is plugged in safely.
Yeah.
So
like,
that you know
like-
you don't